Did you know that not every worker bees does the same job their entire life? Well, inside the honeybees colony, there's something called the division of labor. And that means different worker bees takes on different responsibility depending on their age and the needs of the colony, right? So young worker bees usually begin jobs inside the hive. As their body develops, especially their glands, they become capable of doing specific tasks, right? And in their early days, they may clean cells, feed developing larvae, and care for the queen. So as they get older, that's when their duties begin to change. Some start to produce wax, help with like cone or the foundation building, like the wax building. Others receive nectar. They become like a receiving bees. So they receive the nectar from the foraging bees, and that help process, and they help process it and turn it into honey. That nectar that they bring, that's the one that they turn into honey. And some become like guard bees, so they guard the entrance of the hive to protect the colony from intruders, right? So it's all different stages. Then in the final stage of their working life, many worker bees become like foragers, and these are the bees that leave the hive to collect the nectar, the pollen, the water, and propolis, right? And these are things that the hive needs to function. So what determines this division of labor? Well, a big part of it is the age of the worker bees and the development of her internal glands. But it is not only about the age. The main thing is the needs of the colony. That also matters. Because if the hive urgently needs more foragers or nurse bees, workers can sometimes shift roles to help the colony to survive. So it's all about survival. That's how they determine the job. So another important part of the worker bee's body is sometimes called the fat body. And the fat body acts like a major storage production center inside the bees, right? And it stores important reserve food, especially like minerals, especially fat and glycogen and protein compound. You can think of it like the bee's internal energy bank. That is where everything goes on, you know, what the colony is gonna need, you know, because that's how they produce royal jelly and all these things. So we can talk about that in a few. But these fat bodies help worker bees survive. They stay nourished and support important body function. They are especially important when bees need to store energy for hard work, for stress, long period when food is limited. So inside the hive, every worker bee is a part of an amazing system. They work together to get the job done. So her age helps guide her job. Her body helps prepare her for that job, right? And the colony needs help. The colony needs, like what the colony needs, that help decide where she is needed most. So depending on the need of the colony, that's how they determine the job, right? That's why it's called division of labor. Divide the labor. So this makes a honeybees colony so powerful, because thousands of individuals can work together like one living organism, right? Or superorganism. Yeah. Anyway, if you're enjoying learning about honeybees, make sure you like, share, subscribe for more amazing beekeeping education content. Thank you. Yeah man, bless up yourself, you know. Yeah.